Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos uploaded in my channel. Subscribe Infinity Gainers. Today we are see how to fix or how to remove black mark on HP laptop and monitor screen. Okay, I have 3 black marks. Okay, how to receive? See, using I am grease, because grease working safety for screen in cracks. Okay, then using rubber, then using plastic needle, then using screwdriver. 3 parts using. Okay, you have any disturb in for the bracelet display covered, just remove and work. Okay, freely work. First thing, using eraser, plastic, screwdriver, 3 stage. One is 25% pressing on display. Okay, 25% pressing on display, work and clean. Then grease apply. 50% press to display, pressing on display using eraser, plastic and screwdriver. Third thing, 75% pressing give display using eraser, plastic, metal for this screwdriver. In this display, don't put 100% press because display is broken. Okay, carefully do this work. One times, just small grease apply it here. After try this. In this, why that reason black spot has come in this display and front layer, in internally micron level, it is air gap, liquid gap is comes. So that reason it in this black marks comes. Now we are this pressing given, and front layer and display layer both are merged. So that reason in the center particle for the black spots is moving to out. Where is you moving that black spot, you try to that way. Where distance is lowest distance, that side you pulling the black spot, pushing the black spot. Okay, for in this case, don't 100% put pressing. The display is damaged. Okay, in this result not comes few minutes. Compulsory 10 minutes to 10, 20 or 30 minutes you try. It is come slowly, lazily, lightly, smoothly, relaxedly do this work. See, I am using screwdriver. In this small pressing on, where is it black mark is there, lightly pressing and is moving the black spot. Check the lively. See, now this is 40% using, and finally 80-70% using. Now is cleared on. Check it here. You try well work, you get result. Check this now, fully going. Okay, same thing you do. Another, I am 2 block, total 3 is there. 1 is cleared and 2 is there. Now that is also we are cleared. Just to apply grease using eraser. After there is a small distance is there, that side pushing the black spot. Okay, now I am using screwdriver. See this, that black more smally pressing, that is in internal inside is a black mark is evaporate means segregated, splitted. Small pressing that splitted, like dried. In this you pressing that time, the dried is fully loosed. That reason slowly moving up. See, MS off is that screen not we are weaving, correct na? Slowly wait. MS off is okay, not weaving. I am slowly. That crystal is very now hardly there. We have pushed mark in this crystal liquid is loosed. See this small pressing, loosed. MS S not weaving. We can't weaving S. Now this option tried after we can't seeing this after this work after lively we showing. See this small pressing, okay. Small pressing. After you get result, minimum you try to 10 to 20 minutes after you get result. Don't over hardly press and damage screen. Be careful, because this work in this display is under there for the liquid we are removed, air gap liquid, okay. Now after result you will see small black spots comes. Do this work, big works you can't rectify, okay. Now see, thank you friends, thank you for watching. Seeing next video.